sausages for dinner tonight, is it?
Hello. Oh, hello, my fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Today's recipe is my sausage and bean casserole.
Oh.
So as you can see, I've got 6 good quality pork sausages frying away, and these have been frying in 1 tablespoon of oil. Obviously, the sausages will give off some fat as well, which is what you're looking for. Okay. So we're browning these, and do you know what? I think they're more or less there.
Oh.
So what I need to do now is I need to remove the sausages onto a plate.
Plate.
So, because we're going to slice them. What I have in here is 1 large onion, 2 stick celery, 2 large carrots, and 3 cloves of garlic.
Yeah.
All I'm going to do is pulse it. Pulse. Of course you can do this by hand if you want, but I've got the processor, so I might as well use it.
Who does stuff by hand?
So come on, have a look. You're not looking for a pulp, you're just looking for a rough chop like that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. So now I'm going to put this mix into the pan and have the sausages in. So I need to cook this down for about 10 minutes until the onions and all the other veg soften.
How long have I got to wait for my dinner?
It's ready when it's ready.
Oh, that's not exactly an answer, is it?
Well, do you want to get in? Alright, alright. So I will cook this off for 10 minutes and I'll see you shortly. So while the vegetables are cooking away nicely, I'm just slicing up the sausages. You should be able to get a good 6 to 8 slices, rings, out of each sausage. That's what you're looking for.
Depends on whether you eat it or not.
Yeah, don't eat them. The vegetables have cooked down nicely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sliced sausages.
Sliced sausages.
Like so.
Are they all there, or
They
did
are
you eat?
all there. I haven't eaten one.
Right.
Okay. And I'm going to also add 1 pepper, which I have cut into rough chunks. Okay. So that can go in as well. And so I need to just cook that off just for about 3 to 5 minutes. Looks very colourful. It is, isn't it? Yeah. While we're here, my fellow composers, if you're enjoying my videos, don't forget to press the like button and hit the subscribe button just down below here and hit the bell notification button. Ping! And don't forget, any recipe ideas, any comments, suggestions you have, leave in the comment section below as well, okay? So I'm going to start adding some other ingredients to this now. To begin with, I've got 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, and I'm going to fill one of the cans with cold water. Make sure I get all that tomato juiciness out of the cans.
Waste not, want not.
Throw that in as well. And I've got 2 cans of butter beans, which are going to go in as well. I've drained the liquid out of these as well, okay? So give that a mix. What I have here is chicken stock. It's one of these bouillon things, I think they're called. Use one of these, whatever you've got, a chicken stock cube, whichever, put that in as well. And here I have 1 tablespoon tomato puree, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sage, 1 teaspoon oregano, half a teaspoon sugar, and 2 bay leaves. And all this needs to go in as well. Give the whole thing a good stir. So this has come up to the boil, looking amazing. Now what we have to do is we need to transfer this into the oven. So I'm going to clamp a lid on.
Don't touch the handles, they'd be hot.
My oven is preheated at 180 degrees. If yours is a gas oven, you're looking at about 200, okay? Obviously make sure the dish you use is gas safe and also can go in the oven as well. If not, just transfer this into
another dish.
So that will go in the oven. 40 minutes. There's the bleeper.
Does that mean my dinner's almost ready?
Nearly. Right. Yes, that's looking good. So, what I need to do with this now is I'm going to add some pepper, a good grinding of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of green pesto. Mix that in. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to clamp the lid back on and leave it for 5 minutes. So what am I going to have with this? It's perfect to eat as it is, with fresh crusty bread, amazing. But I'm actually going to make some couscous with it. Very simple. What I have in this bowl is 120 grams couscous. Now I'm only making enough for me and Aaron, so you're looking at 60 grams per person. All you have to do is add hot water to the bowl with the couscous, just so that it comes up about half a centimetre above the couscous. Cover that. 5 minutes, done.
We eat.
So the couscous has had its 5 minutes. All I'm going to do to that is add some salt, pepper, and fork it through. Look at that. Nice, perfect. Let's get this in the bowls. And now for the pièce de résistance. Take it all in. So let's serve this up. Got my couscous. Yum, yum. And let's add. So there you have it. My sausage and bean casserole. Let's try it. Amazing. Comforting to the max. Make it, enjoy it, and you will love it.
I feel a little strange.